Alright guys, so basically I'm going to take this big ass can of spray paint and I'm just going to redo this whole subframe. Don't worry about my little setup over here. This is just a crane with the tarp on it because I don't want to get any overspray on it. So I don't know how long I have to shake this can for 1 minute. Alright, 1 minute. It's a fast ass spray. Look at it, already done. So essentially I'm gonna try to maneuver this so I can get it on this side, but I mean, yeah, it's basically done. I don't know, this was a fast ass YouTube video. So yeah, I'm gonna flip this around and try to get the back side of it. Nope, I'm gonna just kill myself instead. Twist this. Okay, I'm gonna just put this back up without touching it because it's still wet. Just back up over here. Yeah, that's basically it. I don't know what else to film. Kind of just cut my video in half, so I'm just gonna wait for this to dry and let's move on to the control arms. So essentially what I'm trying to do is just jerry rig some hangers to basically hold themselves up for me. So I'm gonna just give this a twist and a bend, and then once that's bent, just go ahead and hook it onto right here. And then look at that. This is a rust tough enamel. I'm basically getting enamels because I don't want any of this to peel off while I'm going down the street. So hopefully, if that's a good can, then all this will hold up well, which it should, because I mean it looks fairly good already. So I'm gonna just put it on the floor because I think it'll be fine. I just don't want it painted on the floor. Let's see what this can do. And I know what you guys are thinking, oh my god, you're painting the bushings, but the bushings, I'm gonna get new bushings anyway, so those ones don't really matter to me that much. So don't worry about the bushings. It won't matter once they're all new. Just gotta make sure you get in there. And now we wait 10 minutes for that to dry, and then we go back in and recoat it maybe like 2 more times. And then once we do that, we'll throw the other one on there, and then we'll get that one hanged up somewhere so it can dry. So don't mind this mess in the back. This is all just car stuff I've been too lazy to put away because it's too hot outside, and I'm probably still not gonna put it away. So alright guys, so this is the support brace for the frame, or for the subframe that goes sitting right there. So I'm just gonna blast it with some of this black spray paint. Alright, all done with that, so now I'm gonna just let this hang. Probably not there, maybe like right here. then let's probably just let that vibe for a second. So, oh, don't do that. Probably put it right here or something. There we go, perfect. Cool. So that's gonna dry. I'm probably gonna put more than one coat on there just because I want to make sure it's protected. It's obviously rubbing up there, so I'm gonna have to retouch that. But all in all, this black spray paint can isn't too bad. So let's just keep it pushing. All right, so I got the second one loaded up. And then probably after when that dries, we're gonna go back in and maybe retouch up some of that, make it kind of like smooth looking. But I don't know how long that takes to dry. As you can see, there's all these damn flies around here. So once this gets a little bit dry, we'll put it in the garage and let it kind of like dry up. I don't know if this camera's on. Oh.